In this video, I will introduce you to the basic apps required to control and program the Photon robot. I will discuss their uses and explain the differences between them. The robot is compatible with a number of apps. One of the most important ones is the Photon Education app, made for the educational version of the robot. It is integrated with lesson plans and scenarios, which can be downloaded from our website. It also allows for creating custom lesson plans. To implement a given lesson plan, all you need to do is type in its unique code in the app, where you will also find a number of different interfaces that allow for programming the robot in 5 separate ways. The first couple of basic interfaces were designed to allow the youngest of students who may not yet be able to read to embark on the programming journey with ease. The first of the interfaces is Photon Draw, where you can designate the robot's path by drawing it with a finger. The path in the app corresponds directly to the robot's path in the real world. Photon Draw is a perfect tool for working with the youngest students, as it includes exclusively graphical commands with no text commands whatsoever. What's more, the interface is synchronized with the robot's sensors, which allow students to create their first programs that utilize the robot's readings. Photon Badge, similarly to the previously mentioned Photon Draw, includes graphical commands only. However, it does allow for designing slightly more complex programs. Photon Badge introduces the basic concept of functions so that students can understand what they are in practice, as well as create and invoke them in their programs. Like Photon Draw, Badge allows you to outline the robot's path, including turns and the general direction, which allows students to learn not only how to create code, but also how to read it. Photon Blocks, which introduces the first text commands, is analogous to their graphical equivalents, which allows students to build on the knowledge acquired from previous interfaces. Photon Blocks uses programming blocks laid out according to ladder logic, similar to more complex apps such as Scratch. Photon Blocks enable students to control the robot in a more precise manner. They can now rotate it on a specific angle and make more sophisticated use of the robot's sensors. Photon Code is the most advanced interface within the Photon Education ecosystem. Programming in Photon Code is based on text blocks and introduces some more complex commands, optimal for students aged 10 or older. Code is based on the previously described Photon Blocks interface to ensure smooth transition from one interface to the other. The additional joystick interface allows students to learn the basics of controlling the robot. It's very useful for simple exercises based on moving from point A to point B, such as learning numbers or sequencing events. The Photon Education app is integrated with the popular Scratch programming editor, where you can control the robot's behavior or generate scripts for the virtual characters displayed on the screen. Photon Rivals introduces elements of gamification and competition and is designed to be used with multiple robots. It's great for building team relationships, as well as introducing elements of fun during free play. Another interface worth mentioning is Photon Robot, which is designed to help students learn the basics of programming and operating the robot. Considering that the app is meant to be used by students individually, it may be a good idea to make it available to students in common and social rooms. Photon Magic Bridge allows you to connect the robot to Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS computers. To do this, you will need a Magic dongle adapter. Photon Magic Bridge includes all of the previously mentioned apps and interfaces. It also allows students to further develop their programming skills with Scratch, MakeCode, JavaScript, and Python. Photon Magic Bridge also allows you to connect your robot to an interactive whiteboard. This will allow you to present on a larger screen and to program the robot with a group of students. With Photon Magic Bridge, you can connect up to 8 robots and program all of them simultaneously. All of the above mentioned apps for mobile and desktop devices can be downloaded for free. To sum up, there are 4 applications for working with the Photon robot: Photon Education, Photon Robot, Photon Rivals, and the Photon Magic Bridge. Photon Education was designed for educational institutions and allows free access to different programming interfaces. The Photon Robot app features 200 creative challenges set in a fictional world. Photon Rivals introduces elements of gamification and competition and is designed to be used with multiple robots. Photon Magic Bridge allows you to connect up to 8 robots to computers, screens, and interactive whiteboards. It includes all of the previously mentioned apps, as well as coding software, such as Scratch, MakeCode, JavaScript, and Python.